taking the EasyOn gutter guard out of the box here to see what's inside and what we might else need in terms of tools. So this is 100 linear feet, which hopefully will cover all of my gutters. I was hoping they did. I have some of these anyway, but some metal screws, sort of like you use with ductwork. So they should be what are they called? Self-tapping. But we have these here to use, so I'll need to make sure I have the correct thing for my drill driver for that. But looks like plenty of these. So these do come with adhesive. So I will mainly rely on the adhesive, but I do want to put at least one screw on each edge, just to keep them in place for the long haul. Because what you'd really like with a gutter installation like this is to never have to get up there again. So here are the tools I used. I didn't have a sheet metal cutter, pliers, scissors that I used to. I couldn't find them, but I used this multi-tool. Gloves I think are important. I did cut my hand. A good bit with a drill driver, and of course a ladder. So here's the one I'm installing. I was doing a little trial here, and here are the old ones that I had on. Yeah, the old ones there's nothing, this part's metal, but this is plastic, and then the mesh is some sort of plastic-like material. So these are metal, and I think they will perform better and do what we need to do. I installed these downspout guards for the past 2 or 3 years, and it's a very old way of doing this, and I don't like it. It doesn't do a very good job. It does keep leaves from going down mostly, but we need more than this. So you can see a little bit of the edge of my roof. It's been damaged, I think mostly by rodents that get in here. So that's part of keeping this clean and guarded, is to protect it from squirrels. So these are the metal bits made for this. I'm going to try to put this one right here. Forgot to put my safety glasses on. Don't tell my wife. All right, one down, 25 to go. So the project ended up taking me about 4 hours, probably maybe 3 hours of actual work. And part of this was I was cleaning out the gutters some too. They weren't terribly bad, but they needed some cleaning before I put this down. So that was part of this. You see my bucket. I used a little hand trowel to get some junk out and just to have them clean before I put the gutter guard on. So the sections are about 4 feet long each. And so mostly you had to move the ladder for each one or to get to a new position. So that was one of the harder parts, was just all the up and down on the ladder and putting them up. It would be easy if the gutter guard was being installed at 4 feet high, but it's not. And so that was probably the hardest part, is just being up on the ladder all the time as someone who's not really used to that. So again, about 3 hours for me, total work involved in this. Are you mad at me? So as I show you a few before and afters here, I just talk about it as a DIY project. It's very doable if you're physically capable of getting up there and have the tools that are necessary to do it. So it was pretty hard on me. I was pretty sore, but I don't do this every day. If you are more active, you can probably handle it better than I did. But it wasn't actually difficult putting them on there, but you do run into a few awkward ends. I'll show you that in just a second. So up here we had an issue with the size, because this is coming off of a flat roof. And so what I'm trying to do here is bend this up some. So I'm sure this is not how it's designed to be used, but with most roofs you're going to come into something that's odd, and you have to, with most projects, you're going to run into stuff. So I'm going to try this and see if it will fit in here. So with that project behind me and a lot of rain and a lot of leaves falling, I'm glad it's done. I would do it again. It was worth it. Certainly the price I paid for these was under $200, and I ordered them from Costco. I looked at them in Costco once, and then I ordered them and they were delivered. and it was they're not heavy, they're lightweight, but they're very solid. So I'm very pleased with the quality of the product, and I think they're going to hold up really well for the gutters, the way that they look. So I think it's a very important part of keeping water away from the foundation of your home, to have your gutters operating really cleanly and make sure all that water is getting away from the house. So it was good. I'm glad it's there. They went on fairly easily as described, and I think this is going to be a good lasting product. In 20 or so years, I'll do an update video. So thanks for watching.